Hello everybody, my name is Attila and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Google Maps online. This method is very beginner friendly. I'm actually using a more advanced technique at the moment, but I'm going to show you how you can start with this business model. I think as a beginner you shouldn't start with dropshipping or SMMA because those kind of business models are very hard to be good at. You should start with SaaS. I don't want to sell you any like course or anything, but I'm going to show you a software that I use, and I'm an affiliate of that software. And if you use my link, you are going to get a free guide which helps you get a better understanding and a detailed view of the whole software and the step-by-step guide to be an advanced software expert on that. Alright, first let's talk about the business model that we are going to use with the software. Is the SaaS business model, which means software as a service, and you either get a setup fee or you get a monthly recurring revenue for your service. And here, as you can see, you are selling different kind of services to small and medium-sized businesses in the beginning. Later you can work with bigger companies too. Being in the SaaS world means a very wide range. GoHighLevel offers you running websites, creating funnels for companies or yourself, and creating web shops, doing email marketing, different kind of reputation management tools. You can do marketing reports on different kind of companies. But first we are going to check the Google Maps. Right, let's open Google Maps, and you can write inside like Roofers UK. The way that I want to show you the roofers is because I have worked with a lot of roofers, but this video is not just about roofers. I'm just showing you a niche how to get started. So you should be a person who is looking for a roofer. You should be in a position of like a stranger. And for example, this UK roofing company Ltd has a 4.8 rating and 25 reviews and looking very good. But if I open the website, it is absolutely not good. It is very basic, and I think they don't pay any money for marketing and related stuff to that. And you can help this business with creating a new website, or either giving a reputation management for him. But first, businesses, in my opinion, don't want to give you money because they don't trust you. They are strangers to you. So first you should give something for free for them. The way that I have started it, by giving them a free website and only charging hosting fee. You can charge between 100 and 150 pounds or dollars or euros per month for hosting their websites. They have everything on paper, and they write everything down with pen and pencil, in my opinion. And you should be able to automate their different kind of processes, which helps them saves time and worth the money that they pay for your services. Or also there is this website which is pretty old, and you can make so much better websites through GoHighLevel, either animated websites or just informal website which looks very good. The other way that you can help businesses for free is that you say to them that you are going to get them, for example, this this business, you're going to get them free reviews, which are not fake reviews, but through email and SMS campaigns of the previous past customers or the leads that they have. You are going to automate this whole process for them, and you are going to give them like a 7 or 14-day free trial. I don't recommend going over 14-day trial to 30-day because it's not worth for you. A lot of people are still not going to pay after your 30-day free trial. I have also experienced this, so learn from my mistakes. And after you have successfully showed them that you are capable of having real reviews from their data, then you can upsell either the same review campaign service to them for like 120 quid per month or more, or either you can give them like an AI chatbot after them, but I will make a whole new video about it, so stay tuned. Alright, talking about the SaaS business model, I want to recommend you that if you are a complete beginner and if you can't code, the best software to use is GoHighLevel. I actually cannot code, and I have started this journey with no coding experience. Here is one of my clients where I can connect the Google Business profile if I wanted to, and there are built out templates for you by GoHighLevel in reputation, automation. I'm going to show you that you don't need to build out anything for your first clients, because there are some more advanced automations as you move forward with AI and personalized text and messages. But in the beginning you can start with where is it? Right, here it is, the send review request. So you just go select, and it is really easy. It is already built out for you. So you just have to sell it to businesses, and when you go publish, you can save it, and it's like automatically executed. Alright, I'm not gonna enroll it because my client is gonna be very angry. And you just have to look for different kind of businesses in Google Maps, and if you get results with this in your free trial with my link, you actually get a 14-day free trial if you sign up through my link. Then after that you can use GoHighLevel for free. You have built out templates, you can reach out to these businesses, get reviews for them for free, and after that it is more easy to upsell your service for them because they trust you already delivered great results through proven systems. Alright, you might ask what type of different kind of services could you sell to businesses. There is like a list reactivation, which is really great. For example, at high ticket sales, I'm going to make a new video about it. But if you work with a big company and they have a big database, it's so easy to make money for them. And if I say to them that I'm going to make them $10,000 before they pay me anything, they are more willing to pay for my high ticket services. And there is also this automized call text back automation, which helps you. There is also birthday template, which can send automated emails and SMS to customers on their birthday. There is also Google My Business message, which AI replies automatically to all of your reviews, so you don't even have to worry about it. Right, here you can see this called pipeline, and there is opportunities in it. I'm actually running Google and Facebook ads for this client, You can see this in forint, but it's my state's national currency, so it is not in forints. This client is actually in the UK, and I am running a successful ads campaign for him, and you can actually see all the clients being automated to put in a form filled out, to appointment booked, appointment confirmed, and till buyer. You can see the whole process with the system, which is really great, and you can show it to your client, and also you can nurture the leads. For example, if someone is filled out the form but not booked the appointment, the system automatically puts him in a email list where you notify him like daily to book an appointment, or did you forget to book it. And yes, you can nurture the leads, and this is why GoHighLevel is really great, because it's a whole system, and you only have to build out the system once. For example, I have my own system for roofers, and I can actually sell that system to every roofer that I work with. So this is the software that I'm using, and you can access this page through my link, and if you use my link, then you are going to be invited to my community, where there are weekly Q&As, and also there is a completely free course just for you on client acquisition, GoHighLevel Compass, GoHighLevel A to Z, resource library, also an entrepreneur mindset, some useful links to get you a head start in your journey. And also you can achieve one-on-one mentoring from me, and SMME and the SaaS basic. And this course is all for free if you sign up with my link. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to make weekly 3 or 4 videos on different kind of topics in high level. So make sure to leave a comment on which topics should I be taken part of.